In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a Zoho invoice. First things first, you'll want to start by opening your web browser and navigating to your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, head straight for the dashboard. This is your main command center, where you can keep track of all the financial activities within your organization. Feel free to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the various options and metrics available on the dashboard. Next, look for the Sales tab. It's usually located on the left-hand side of your dashboard interface. Clicking on Sales will open a drop-down menu from which you should select Invoices. This area is essentially where your complete list of invoices resides, providing an overview of the payments you owe or are owed. Once inside the Invoices section, scroll through and identify the specific invoice you wish to pay. If you have multiple invoices, you can use filtering options to sort through them. You can search by date, customer name, or even by the invoice amount to locate the one you need to manage right away. Having found the invoice you need, direct your attention towards the Record Payment button. Click on this and prepare yourself for the next step, which involves entering the payment details. Here, you'll be prompted to fill out the payment form. This includes entering the amount you are paying and the payment date, along with the mode of payment you're using, such as bank transfer, credit card, or any other method that suits you. It's important to make sure that all this information is entered correctly, as errors could affect your financial tracking later on. Be meticulous and double-check the details before moving on. After you've filled in the payment information, it's time to seal the deal. Click on the Record Payment button again to finalize the transaction. This step is crucial because it ensures that your payment is logged into the system, keeping your records accurate. You should see a confirmation indicating that the payment was successfully recorded. This will also update your invoice status from pending to paid. Once completed, it's a good idea to review the invoice list once again, just to ensure that the payment has been accurately recorded in the system. This extra step of verification can save you from any potential confusion or issues down the line. And there you have it. Paying a Zoho invoice is as straightforward as following these simple steps, ensuring a seamless and efficient financial management experience. Hope you find this guide helpful, and you can always revisit it if you need a quick refresher. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy invoicing.